Welcome to another iHusbandry instruction video. The rationale for collecting data about your animals and operations is to understand how your enterprise is performing so that you can make educated decisions and highlight areas that need attention. There are many stories in your data that can be extracted by asking pertinent questions. The tools iHusbandry provides for asking questions are the grid and the pivot tables in the resources. See the instruction videos for the grid, resources, client resources and individual resources for more details. A pivot table is a business intelligence tool only limited by the data it has to work with and your ability to ask pertinent questions. A pivot table takes the data from a flat table and rearranges it to provide different views of the data depending on the questions being asked. The pivot table usually has different ways of visualizing the data and a number of statistical measurements. Which of the visualizations and statistics make sense depends on whether the data values are numeric or categorical. A pivot table may also have the ability to sort the rows and columns and filter the data. The iHusbandry version of a pivot table has some extra facilities for viewing the data, including the ability to download the animal IDs associated with any cell in the pivot table. Here are some questions that can be answered by the iHusbandry on-hand pivot table. How many animals do I have on this day? What breed are they? What categories do I have? Where are they? How old are they? What do they weigh? What is their weight for age? The parallel coordinates plot allows you to analyze the data using 4 variables. You can click any cell to drill down into the data. For more information about pivot tables in general, see the Wikipedia article on pivot tables and view the Lemire article listed in the instruction videos.